Yale Real Living Push-Button Deadbolt Programming, Wireless Network Module Setting. Please note, this menu option 7 is only available when either a Zigbee or Z-Wave wireless network module is installed in the lock. For this example, we have set the master pin code to 123456. Enter master pin code 123456 followed by the pound key to enter the main menu. We will select number 7 followed by the pound sign to enter the module setting. You can then select option number 1 followed by the pound sign to register the wireless network module into the home control system. You can then select option number 2 followed by the pound sign to delete the wireless network module from the home control system.